Today we have the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S SUV. We are going on a night drive, but before we do, I'll show you guys the exterior features of this GLE 63S, which is the most powerful Mercedes-Benz SUV. Underneath this hood is an AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, producing a staggering 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 time in this car is 3 seconds. Total retail is $142,000. Very aggressive front fascia, new LED headlamps, ceramic on a grille with the Mercedes star at the front. On the side, we have 22-inch AMG forged wheels with the red brake calipers, front discs perforated. We have the V8 bi-turbo insignia 4MATIC Plus because this car has race mode, which means it can send all the power to the rear wheels to make it a fully rear-wheel drive car. Exterior is the black. Interior, we have black as well as red, exclusive knuckle leather. New LED taillights for 2025, AMG crest on the left-hand side, GLE 63S on the right-hand side. This is the AMG Performance exhaust system with the quad exhaust tailpipes, Class 2 trailer hitch, towing up to 7,000 pounds. Cargo cover right here to protect your luggage from the hot sun. Underneath we have a spare wheel. There's a metal piece here to protect the trunk, and this is the trunk storage, about 17 or 20 cubic feet. Electronic tailgate. What a lovely looking silhouette. Wheel arches in the same color as the car. The rear windows are tinted for privacy. This is the interior, privacy shades, Burmester high-end speaker system, carbon fiber trim, heated seats at the back, red leather as well as the red contrast on the black back seats. Very spacious. View to the front, digital cockpit, 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster as well as a central display for the BMW X Mercedes-Benz user experience system. We have USB-C ports back here as well, air vents, 2 cup holders. There is also a panorama sunroof at the top. This is a spec sheet, 2025 GLE 63S. Total retail $142,000. Fuel economy is 16. This is a view facing the front before we head on for a drive. Love the carbon fiber trim all throughout the a filter back crest on the headrests, as well as AMG on the seats as well. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
set ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Let's go ahead and try the park assist. Should find the parking on the left. I hope it does. I'm gonna say so I have to be close to the parking. That is interesting. I mean, really close to the spot that I need to park into. And it's parking so fast. So that is park assist in the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S UV. That's it. Point of view drive review of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S. Subscribe to Mercedes Launch weekly videos. Until next time, stay positive. Peace.